Hi, I'm Amatana Santi. I've been meditating over 4 decades. I was a Buddhist nun for 28 years. For most of my adult life, I've been teaching meditation. What might surprise you is that even with all of that practice, I felt like I didn't belong anywhere, like there was something fundamentally wrong with me, like I was living in exile from myself. Meditation gave me many gifts, but it didn't heal that. For years, I believed that if I just practiced more, if I just awakened further, the pain underneath would resolve. But it didn't. With all these years of meditation and all of this teaching, what I've discovered is that there's three things meditation on its own doesn't heal. The first is trauma, the residue of overwhelming experience held in the nervous system. The second is attachment wounds, the relational strategies we developed as kids to survive when safety, attunement, or comfort weren't reliably there. And the third is what I call narcissistic wounding. It's not the disorder, it's not a strategy, it's a belief, a deep sense of deficiency that says, something is wrong with me at my core. I don't belong. You can have genuine awakening and still carry all three. If you've been meditating for 3 years or 30 years, and you still notice some of the same patterns arising, feeling like an imposter, struggling in close relationships, overreacting, shutting down, people pleasing, or pulling away. If you can see the pattern clearly, but you're not able to stop it, it's not because you're doing meditation wrong. And it's not because insight has failed you. It's because these wounds don't heal through insight alone. For a long time, I avoided that deepest emptiness inside of me, that vacant, exiled place. Not because I lacked courage, but because I didn't yet have the internal support to face it. What finally changed everything was understanding that attachment repair comes first. Before trauma can release, before the deepest wounds can be met, there has to be safety. Safety in the body, safety in relationship, safety inside yourself. One participant in the integrated meditation program said it like this: for decades, I was seeking love and validation in a dysfunctional family system. All the while, love and validation were right here inside of me, waiting patiently for me to see them, hear them, and touch them. She went on to say, I feel like Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz. The curtains are open, and I'm beginning to see life in Technicolor. That discovery doesn't happen through insight alone or more of the same effort. It happens in the right relational conditions. That is why I created the integrated meditation program. This program weaves together meditation, attachment repair, nervous system regulation, relational practice in a very intentional sequence. We begin with attachment repair, cultivating safety, attunement, comfort, delight, and encouragement. That foundation changes everything. From there, trauma can soften and release. Then, so too, that deep wound of deficiency, it becomes a doorway rather than a threat. The exile doesn't end with more of the same effort. It ends with the right kind